2019 Ranger with a BAKFlip MX4 low profile aluminum hard folding cover. This product is secure when you lock the tailgate. So if you can lower the tailgate, you can open it from either side. You pull a cable and it unlocks the panel in each increment. So you can drive with it here in this position. You just take off this tape, buckle it here, drive with it safe. It has padded bumpers that protect the back. So when you flip it up all the way, you have your full bed. You can prop it up here with the struts and go highway speed by securing it in place like this. The rails are clamped onto the side. No drilling is required. And the drain tubes go out the back corner. So if any water gets inside, it goes out of the bed. This used to be a glossy finish and they made it into a matte finish. So it matches the truck bed caps really well. This also has that integrated tailgate seal, so you don't have to shut your tailgate first. You can close the cover and then shut the tailgate. Great looking 2019 Ford Ranger hard folding bed cover.